Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to create a playlist on your Spotify, then I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone. And guys, after this, you need to open your Spotify app. And guys, after opening here, you need to click on this tab that is your library. As you can see here, simply you need to click on this tab, and guys, you will find this type of interface. So guys, in this tab, all the playlists are available that you are listen on your Spotify app. So guys, simply you need to click on here as the option of plus. As you can see here, search bar and plus option. So guys, simply you need to click on this tab that is plus. And guys, after clicking on it, you will find this type of interface. So guys, you need to click on this option that is first one, playlist. So guys, you need to click on this tab. And guys, after this, here you need to write your playlist name. So guys, for example, I have written that my playlist number 1. So guys, after doing this, you need to click on create button. And guys, now you can see my playlist ready to use. So guys, you can add any song in this playlist as well. So guys, simply here is the option of add to playlist. And guys, you need to plus this song. So guys, when you are play any song, then guys, you will find here all the songs that you are playing. And guys, you can easily add all the songs in your playlist as well. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.